Alright guys, today we have a song called There's a Hush All Over the World. It's a piano solo arrangement. Take a listen here. I got a drum beat to play with this. So forth. All right, guys, we're going to do the part one lesson here. All of the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Okay, so this is a piano solo arrangement. Just to be aware, though, what Richard Clayderman is playing, I'm not able to do that exactly what he has because he's got the orchestra. So he's just sometimes playing both hands doing the melody, and the other instruments take care of everything else. That would sound weird on a piano solo. So I've kind of incorporated a bass part with it to make it sound right for us. So hopefully it'll sound, I think it sounds a lot like the original. So here we go. I've got a piano sound with a chorus and reverb on it. All right, so we'll start with A, B flat, D, F in the right hand. Left hand will have a G. You can do G, D, G, so G octave or G, D, G in the left hand. You can start with a bass octave if you want. And then we have this. So 1 and 2 and. Now I'm going to assume you're to this level if you're starting this. Okay, if you're a beginner, this is not the piece to start on. I do have 50 lessons that are beginner lessons on webpianoteacher.com. So those are what you need first if you're a beginner, or if you're trying to get used to my method, just kind of figure out what I'm doing here with the chords. You can do that by clicking Browse Lessons on the site and scrolling down alphabetically to the letter L for lessons. There are 50 lessons there that'll get you started. All right. So 1 and 2 and. That little lick up there is A and D together with 3 and 5. Then B flat with a 4, G with a 2, D, and then crossover for A, B flat, G. So it's 1, 2, 3. Bum, bum. So keep that left hand going. We have 2 G octaves and a B flat octave, so it's 1, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 2, 3. All right. Now we're gonna go B flat, D, G, B flat. I have a little hook on that G because it sounds like he flips that G a little bit from an F sharp, so you can go F sharp with your third finger. Little blues kind of sound there. Left hand on an E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got to vamp for 4 counts, okay? Because you don't have the drums and the other strings, the other instruments to carry you. So the soloist will just do this. You have to go. You're by yourself. Beginning 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next measure 1, 2, 3, 4. C, F, C. 2 B flat, F, B flat, left hand on a D. 1, 2, 3, 4. The little writing in red we'll talk about later. We don't look at it this first time. Next measure 1, 2, 3. So C, F, A, C in the right, left hand on G, D. You can add another G on your thumb, G, D, G. 1, 2, 3. After you say 3, you can do this little lick. A, B flat, A, F, C, B flat, A, G. Da 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 da. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 3. And after you say 3, da 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 da. B flat, A, G, A, B flat, F, da 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 da. 3, 2, 1. Next measure. I have the G and B flat in parentheses because you need that for the chord. I don't hear him play that. It sounds like he just plays a D. But if you're piano solo, we need to add the G and the B flat, left hand on an E flat octave, or E flat, B flat, E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counts on that, all right? Very beginning, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. there means G minor, just so you know it's a G minor chord. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And this chord is an F pedal in the bass. The right hand has an E flat chord, G, B flat, E flat, G. Roll it up. Left hand on an F. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you get to count 3, you can play those pickups. Then we get to, I guess, the verse part of it. Now, you may need to work on what we've just done for an entire week, and that's fine. Maybe it'll take you a couple of minutes, a couple of hours, or even a couple of weeks or months. That's fine. Go at your pace, and when you're ready, then I'll be here, and we can move on. I'll be here in video form. 3, 4, bum, ba-dum. So, D, E flat, octaves in the right hand. Bum, bum. And here we have F, B flat, D, F. Left hand on a B flat octave. Bum, bum, bum. I put the B flat and D in parentheses because I don't think he plays just an octave, but we need a chord there for us. So 3, 4, bum, bum, 3, 4, 1. Now we have a D7, A, C, F sharp. Left hand on a D octave. 1, 2. After you count to 2, 1, 2. Then you can do your descending octaves. D, C, B flat, A, G. 1, 2. Now it sounds like he has a second piano in here on another track where he kind of plays really soft background and then the main melody, which you can do when you're in recording studio, but live performance, we kind of mix the two. So we're going to go bum, bum, bum. So that's A, B flat, D. Put it in parentheses because of that very fact that I think it's a second track. Left hand on a G. Da, da, da. We have G, A flat chord, which is anticipatory of the E flat in the left hand. So there it's A flat, C, E flat, A flat. Da, da. So from there, da, da, da. Okay? And then na 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 na. So B flat, D, C, B flat, A flat. Then it's a G, E flat chord. G, B flat, E flat, G. Da, 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 da. And then you stay, on the E flat there. 1, G, E flat, G, B flat. A, C, F, A is anticipatory again of the next chord, an F chord. And then A, B flat, C, F, B flat, E. While you're holding that, left hand does B flat. And then F, B flat, D. Let's go that far, right there. My pinky on a piece of glass and it's hurting, but sometimes I forget about it until I really play a chord really hard. Then we have F, then E flat octave, D, F, B flat, D, E flat, G, B flat, E flat, C, F, A, C. So bum, 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 da, da, da. Then we start that melody again. Left hand's on an F, so it's bum, 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 da, da, da. But here it's D, E flat. We have a suspended chord, F, B flat, E flat, F. Play it again, then we resolve to D. Da, 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 da. Now we have the D. Keep holding the D with your third finger, and then you add A, C, and F sharp. And then C, D, C, B flat, A, G, da. Then we start that next measure, A, B flat, D. All right, and that's as far as we'll go on this part 1, but left hand's on a D there. 1. Okay, now let's go from the very beginning. Ready, go. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Next measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Verse. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. So there's a lot there for your part one. Again, this is an advanced lesson. This is not for beginners or even people who are be struggling a little bit in the intermediate level. This is more for advanced, and you can get there with experience. Play enough beginner and intermediate pieces, then you'll be ready for something like this. I hope you enjoyed that part one, guys. And later.